Hi guys, it's Habib here. I had a friend who wanted to become a YouTuber, or he's in the process of becoming a YouTuber. So he's been chatting me for a while now. He asked me a lot of questions, and sometimes I give him answers that I can. So he asked one question. He was like, which video editing apps do I use and how do I edit my videos? Because I put so much time in editing my videos before posting them. So I told him I use a lot of apps, and among most of the apps on the Play Store, we have the best among them. There are a lot of apps on the Play Store, so that doesn't mean you should go for any app. So in this video, I'm going to recommend only 3 video and pictures editing apps that are good for me and some of my friends who are YouTubers. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever you do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, welcome back. Or should I say, Akwawa. But that's just by the way. I'm going to recommend only 3 video and pictures editing apps. But I think the best one which I use will be the last one to be mentioned. And aside that, I'll also give some tips on how I edit. The third app that I'm going to mention in this video is the VLLO app. The VLLO app was the application I started editing my videos with. I don't know whether you know Ama Gobena. She's a Ghanaian YouTuber. She does a lot of things, and currently she's been down, but that's just by the way, she's been through a lot. So Ama Gobena was the one who recommended the VLLO app. I was part of her subscribers. So when she does video, mostly I watched, and in one of those videos she was teaching her audience or her subscribers the apps she used for editing videos. We have the free version, and we have the free feature and the paid feature. So we go for the free ones. The VLLO app is one that I also recommended, but that comes as the third app. So the second one here is the CapCut. Someone will be like, no, CapCut is my first choice, but to me CapCut is not my first choice. I started also trying to edit my videos with the CapCut, but it was a bit complicated to me. Each and everyone knows what work or what he likes. So to someone, the CapCut app, though I know it comes with a lot of features, but the CapCut app is a bit complicated when it comes to Habib Educate. So I don't really use CapCut apps for editing my videos and pictures, though it comes with a lot of features, as I said. So the CapCut app is the second one on the list. So we move from third to second. Now, which one is the first one and the best one among all? That's to me, not to you. Leave it in the comment section down below if you know the application that I'm going to mention. But before we move to the first app that I will recommend to my subscribers and my audience, I want to give you this tip. Some will be like, how do you edit videos? Like Habib Educate, how do you video as you are screening, or let's say you are shooting a video at the same time, recording something or putting another b-roll on the screen. When we talk of b-roll, I don't know how to explain it, but to my understanding, as we are shooting this video, this is the a roll, but the b-roll is when another video is added on the screen. So as I shot this video, this is a single video. So after editing, I'm going to add a screen recording of what I'm going to use or whatever I'm going to do on this phone. So as I use this phone, I'm going to screen record, and whatever I do here, I'm going to add it onto the screen, and that becomes the b-roll. So we have a roll and b-roll. Though I'm not a videographer, but that's how I understand it. So when I edit video or when I shoot videos like this, there is someone behind the camera who is shooting the video, one of my friend. So after shooting, when I sit down, I do my editing. So I'll go edit the video. After editing, I'll pick the screen recording that I did on this video or on this telephone and transfer it to the editing mobile phone that I use. I have a different phone that I use for editing videos, and I have a different one that I use in screen recording. So it should be two phone. One, that's only if you are using mobile phone to shoot. You have one to shoot the video as we are shooting like this, and we have another one for screen recording. So this one shoots the A roll, and after that the screen recording will be the B roll that will be added onto the screen. So this is another tip. There will be more tips coming in, more videos. So now let's move to the first app. And as I told you, I know by now a lot of people have commented, but most of you are wrong. One of the best app that I use for editing my videos, including the thumbnails, is InShot, the InShot editing app. I just don't know how to congratulate the developers of that application. The application comes with a lot of features. I wanted to do, a screen recording here and add it onto the screen, but I think that will be under how to edit videos, or how Habib Educate edits his YouTube videos before posting, because I don't want the video to be too long. So as I started, I won't do any B-roll here, but at least I'll show the apps. So in case you are not able to find them, you can look at their pictures and recognize them on the Play Store. So as I said, the third app that I will recommend is the one I watch on Amagovene's channel, and that was the VLLO app. So currently this is a Huawei that my brother owns. I tried using this mobile phone to access the VLLO on the Play Store, but I couldn't. I don't know why. So they were writing a lot of things, and I think the full name is VLLO Intuitive Video Editor. So in case you dial VLLO and you are not able to find it on the Play Store, just add Intuitive Video Editor and you're going to get it. So that's the third one. And the second one that I recommended was the CapCut app. That also come with a lot of features, and I have a lot of Indian friends who are using the CapCut app to bring out a lot of content, a lot of professional content on the internet. And the first one that I personally used and I will also recommend is the InShot app. The InShot app, it comes with the free version of it and the paid version. If you pay, you get more features, but there is more or bunch of features for the free users. Just like us, I'm not paying anything on the InShot app. I'm just using the free version. I'm just exploiting the free version, and that's through what you guys get to enjoy the beautiful and nice editings that I put into my videos. I think this video is gonna end here, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. It's always your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video. But wait, I'm in a different country. I left Ghana, so here I'm gonna start doing some videos on how to transfer money internationally through not the MTN sim but the Move sim, because I got it some few days ago. And after that, this is a question, and please help me find someone who is in Cote d'Ivoire here who knows where to where to go and access my residential permit. Here the police and the soldiers, they are hunting those who are not having the residential permits. Though they are not hunting, but in case they find you on the street where there's a trouble and they are arresting people and you are part of them, by all means they are going to ask you whether you are a citizen there or not, and what is permitting you to be in that country legally. So to me, I think when I get my residential permit, it will make a lot of sense. So please help me find someone, a Ghanaian in Cote d'Ivoire. Help me find someone in Cote d'Ivoire here who knows where I will go and get my residential permit. So with that, I'll just use my Ghana card. So it will be like a Ghanaian legally living in Cote d'Ivoire. That's all for now, and it's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace off.